Did you know that incorporating just a handful of nuts into your daily diet can lower your risk of heart disease by 30%? That's a simple snack that packs a powerful punch for your heart health. As we age, our heart health becomes a bigger concern. For those of us over 60, maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for a long and active life. One of the most effective ways to do this is through our diet. The food we eat can either help or harm our heart, and it's surprising how simple changes can make a big difference. When it comes to heart-healthy foods, there's a variety to choose from. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower triglycerides and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins and minerals that can help lower blood pressure. Even simple things like olive oil, which is rich in healthy fats, can make a big difference. Berries are another great option. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are all rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help keep your heart healthy. And let's not forget about whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These foods can help lower cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. Incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables into your diet can also provide a wealth of benefits. Carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes are all rich in vitamins and minerals that can help keep your heart healthy. The top 3 foods that are most beneficial for heart health are fatty fish, nuts, and leafy greens. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna can help lower triglycerides and reduce inflammation. Nuts, as I mentioned earlier, can lower your risk of heart disease by 30%. And leafy greens like spinach and kale can help lower blood pressure. These foods are easy to incorporate into your diet. You can add spinach to your omelets or blend it into a smoothie. You can snack on nuts throughout the day or add them to your oatmeal. And you can grill salmon or tuna for a healthy dinner option. Incorporating these foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your heart health. By making simple changes to your diet, you can lower your risk of heart disease, reduce inflammation, and keep your heart healthy. By prioritizing heart-healthy foods, you're not just helping your heart, you're also investing in your overall well-being. A healthy heart can improve your energy levels, help you sleep better, and even boost your mood. Simple ways to incorporate these foods into your daily meals include trying new recipes, experimenting with different seasonings, and even just adding a side salad to your meals. If you're already incorporating some of these foods into your diet, I'd love to hear about it. What are your favorite heart-healthy foods? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more health-related content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.